Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. When do you do your first service and oil change? Yamaha recommends 1 month, 150 miles, or 20 hours, whichever comes first. Now, when we received our first RMAX 1000, in the bed of one of them, we had this sweet oil change kit. In the oil change kit, this kit contains 5 quarts of 1040 full synthetic oil, an oil filter, and 5 gaskets. Yamalube engine oil, oil filter, drain bolt gaskets, and O-rings. So they have gone to the full synthetic 1040. What is the part number? Here's the part number, LUB-SXSCG-KT-35. This will work with the RMAX 2 and the RMAX 4 1000. Oil capacity with the oil in the filter, oil filter part number, and the gasket part numbers. Nice little grab handle pickup kit on this side, QR code, and there again the part number. So, super excited to do the first oil change for sure. We're going to learn a lot along the way. Very nice little handy grab box there. If you have not seen these at your dealer, I would definitely recommend that get in touch with us. We can get one sent out to you or request that they get these in. Again, nice little pick up and grab and go items. Got everything you need inside. What do you guys think? I believe, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, that this is the first side-by-side that they are recommending the 1040 full synthetic. What do you guys think? Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We will get a link posted up where you can go on and purchase this from our website. If you have any questions when it comes time to doing your first service, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.